Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very popular tool that you can develop inside Selenium inside Python. So what this tool will do, it will open the website and extract all the URLs which are there inside the website and save it inside the Excel file. So, so let me just execute the application and let me just remove this argument of headless so that you can see the browser opening as well. So if I execute this application, you will see it will open the website freemediatools.com automatically, and then it will extract all the URLs and save it inside an Excel file. You will see all the URLs are simply saved and a new file has been created. This is your Excel file. If I try to open this file, so you will see it has extracted all the URLs and saved it inside this Excel file inside the sheet. So a total of 371 URLs have been successfully extracted in a matter of seconds. You will see if I try to open this. So this is a very nice little tool, because if you want to extract all the URLs of a certain website, you can plug the website and then it will automatically extract all the URLs and save it inside this Excel file. So you can see it has extracted all these URLs. So now let me show you the actual script here. I have given the full script in the description of the video. So for this we are using a package, a very popular package inside Python, which is Selenium library, which is a very popular automation library. If you want to control your browser, you can simply install this package here, pip install Selenium. I've already installed it, so just create a simple app.py file. So I will just create this script step by step. So the first step you need to do, you need to require all the necessary packages. So we simply say here from Selenium we need to import the WebDriver, and then from Selenium dot WebDriver dot Chrome dot options. From this we need to import the options, and then from selenium dot webdriver dot common dot by we need to import by, and then from url lib dot parse, from this we just need to say we need to import url join, and then lastly from pandas library we need to import pandas as PD. So pandas again is a very popular package for data extraction. So just also install this library as well by executing this command pip install pandas. So after importing all these packages, now we just need to actually specify the URL where you might need to extract the keywords or the URLs. So just create a variable here, base URL, and just specify the website here. So I will just specify the website freemediatools.com, and then it will open this website by using this function driver.get and then passing this base URL. So then it needs to extract all the URLs from this website. So you can easily do this inside Selenium using this function find elements, and here we will pass by, we need to extract the elements by tag name, and in this case we need to extract all the anchor elements. So here we are specifying the second argument as anchor, so it will extract all the a tags, and then we need to store these a tags inside a set in Python. So we created this variable for element, then we'll use this for loop, and then we'll be looping through each element. It contains this function get attribute. You will be only be getting this href attribute, and if the href is found out, then we just need to store it as a full URL. So use the URL join function and base URL and then href, and then we will add this URL to this URLs array. That's all. And then we simply quit the Selenium application by calling this quit function driver.quit, and then we save this data inside the Excel file. For this we use the Pandas library. It contains this function which is a data frame, and here we specify all the list of URLs that you need to export this inside the Excel file. So here we specify the columns here, which it will only contain a single column which will hold all the URLs for us. And then we can export this to an Excel file using this toExcel function of Pandas, and we can call this, and here we can specify the file name. So I can simply give any file name right here, and the second argument index is equal to false. So this is actually the overall script here, and then lastly we can print out a message that all website URLs extracted and saved to this. So this is the overall script here. If I delete this here, once again run this script. So now you will see it is saying that driver is not defined. Did you mean web driver? On line number 9 it is saying just make sure that you have defined this. Okay, sorry, we haven't defined this, so we just need to create this driver variable, and right here we just need to say webdriver.crow, and here we just need to specify the options which we imported, the options, and then we just need to create a options variable right here and just do this. That's all. So just add this code and again try to execute this. You will see now it will again open the browser, go to the website, and then automatically close and extract all the URLs and create this Excel file. So you will see it will extract all the URLs, 371 URLs. So it just went to this website freemediatools.com. It basically extracted all the anchor tags which are there on the website and saved it inside an Excel file using Pandas. So this is actually a web automation script using Selenium that you can prepare inside Python to actually get all the URLs from a particular website. So thank you very much for watching this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.